Hey, everybody. It's great to get ready for another school year. I know you guys are all getting really excited. I am too. It's Mrs. Jones here, and we're ready to talk about music. Take a look at my mask. See, it has music notes on it. Pretty cool, huh? That's just one of my masks. I have several masks. So you'll get to enjoy seeing which one pops up as you join me for music class. Although I have to tell you, in case you didn't hear, that I will only be teaching third grade and second grade for the first marking period. At the end of the first marking period, we will switch and I will go to kindergarten and first grade, and they will have music for a whole marking period. And at the end of the year, I will teach fourth and fifth grade. This is due to COVID-19. We are trying to make sure that instead of my usual schedule of going throughout the whole building and visiting with every class every week, that I will only be teaching certain grade levels just to help keep us healthy and safe. We will still be doing music though, and we will do it a whole lot. And then you get to switch and try something different a whole lot. So it'll feel a little unusual, but there are some things that will stay the same. Do you remember the name of these? Castanets. You're going to be seeing these this year. I have new ones too. What about, do you recognize this sound? You know what that is? It's our maracas. And in addition to the maracas this year, we also have some nice shaky eggs. So I can't wait for you guys to explore the new instruments. And we're going to have so much fun, and we're going to learn so much. And I can't wait to see all of you again. Please tell your mom and dad if you have any questions to contact me at jones@yscp.org. Thanks, and I'll see you on Tuesday.